Hey friends, we are going to be doing some low effort art. Sometimes I just do not have the bandwidth to make anything complicated. So I'm just going to be using index cards and kids crayons, and I'm going to tape the edges on my index cards. You don't have to do this. And we are just going to be making 3 little small projects using crayons and index cards. You can use whatever kind of paper you want, even copy paper will work with this. You don't have to tape the edges. You can basically use any kind of supply, but I really love crayons because they're cheap and accessible and they don't require any effort, right? And neither do these index cards. They're super cheap. So I'm going to grab 3 or 4 colors and I'm going to start out by making just ovals. And you can just keep your hand moving. That's all that we're focused on, is just keeping our hand moving, and we're going to overlap them too. But there are so many different ways to scribble, and this is one of my favorite ones because, like I said, sometimes we want to create art, but our brains just will not let us do a complicated art project. And I just love these little exercises that you can do that are just really low effort, but it helps me to relax and it helps me to be creative too. So I am doing this in real time so you can see how quick this goes. Sometimes we just need a few minutes just to reset and just to relax and still be creative, because art is really good for your brain in general. It calms me down. It gives me a dopamine hit. It's just really great. So don't worry about how this looks. We are just moving that crayon across the page in a circular way. So really, really simple. Okay, so now we're going to remove that tape, and this is what we're left with. And I don't know about you, but I feel so much better after this. So next, another reason why I love to use crayons is because you can play with pressure too. And they're super simple to use. We're going to start out really, 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 really light with your crayon. So just pick a spot and start. I'm going to use 3 different colors, and I'm going to start out super, super light. And I'm starting at the edge of my crown, and then I am going to add a little bit more pressure. And as you see, the line gets a little thicker. And then I'm going to release the pressure, and I'm just going to keep playing with that. So light pressure, heavier pressure. That's all we're doing. So let's grab a purple, and we're going to do the exact same thing. And I am not thinking about design or composition here. I am just trying to play with those crayons and just create different pressures on this index card. So really, really simple. And just feels so good to press down on the crayon and then to just release. Because sometimes we can feel a lot of pressure, and it's just great to just let it go and let it just be a light mark. So you can do that as much as you want. Just do it until it feels good to you. Again, low effort. We are lowering the bar here, right? We're starting at 1 because all that matters is that we create. It doesn't matter how it turns out. Sometimes we put too much pressure on ourselves, and that's why low effort art is just so awesome. So just keep moving your hand. Light pressure and more pressure. Let's remove that tape. Okay, we're going to remove that tape, and this is how it looks. Really interesting. And now let's do our final one. So our final one, we're just going to make a repetitive line. So I'm just making diagonal lines back and forth. You can apply more pressure or less pressure, but for this one, I'm just concentrating on just moving my hand quickly. That's it. So again, this is another form of scribbling. It's repetitive, which is great for clearing out your mind and really focusing on how it looks. I like to overlap the colors a little bit, but you don't have to do that. You can just use one color and it will be really, really cool and awesome. So I really love how this feels when I am just making those repetitive marks back and forth. And this one goes super fast too. So really, really great. So I really hope that you have enjoyed these 3 techniques that we're using with crayons. Please let me know if you like this series. I think that it's so important to just do low effort art and to take some of the pressure off of ourselves because sometimes we can just think that we have to make this masterpiece, and all we need to do really is just show up for ourselves. And that's what this is all about. That's what I'm all about as an artist. And sometimes you can't even, you know, make process art, even though that's really relaxing and fun. So sometimes that's even too serious to show up for. So I really hope that you like these ideas. I'm just going to keep layering those lines on top until it feels good. And when it doesn't feel good, or when I think it's done or I'm ready to stop, then I peel off that tape and I am ready to go, which is so great. And I just like to keep these in a little box. We're going to use a lot of different materials too, as far as substrate. So you can do this in a journal if that's easier, and add tape if you want. But again, you don't have to use the tape. And I'll show you all 3 of these together, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye bye. Have a great day.